In this video, we'll see how to make delicious and healthy aata samosa. We are not going to deep fry these. Also, we'll see how to make a very delicious and simple chutney with samosa. Let's get started. Let's first start with the preparation of chutney. Heat a pan or kadhai, add 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. To the hot oil, add 1 small size roughly chopped or sliced onion. Saute for 5 to 7 seconds and then add 3 to 4 dried Kashmiri or Byadgi red chillies. Now add 1 teaspoon garlic paste. I had already prepared it, that's why I used paste. You can use garlic cloves. 1 small sized green chilli. Saute at medium flame for 10 to 15 seconds. Then add 1 medium sized roughly chopped tomato. A little water. And now saute for 10 to 15 more seconds, and then after that switch off your flame and let this mixture cool down. Till the mixture cools down, let's prepare the dough. So here in a bowl I've taken 2 cups whole wheat flour or Gehun ka aata. Add some salt as per taste. Now add half teaspoon carom seeds or ajwain. Rub it between your palms to bring out its flavor. Now add 3.5 teaspoon oil or ghee. Now mix the oil or ghee and flour well. This is a very important step and make sure you do it well. This might take a little more time, but it's very important. So after mixing it all through, it's time to make a dough out of it. Add water to make a stiff dough. So I used half cup plus 1 to 2 teaspoon water. But it's very important to make stiff dough. And another important point is to let the dough rest for some time. So cover this dough with a damp cloth, that is, the cloth should be slightly wet. Let this dough rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now bring some water to a boil in a pan, add some salt and add 1/4 cup green peas. Basically we need boiled and already cooked green peas for the stuffing. After boiling the peas for 3 to 4 minutes, strain them and keep aside. In a pan heat 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. And to the hot oil add 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste. You can also add crushed ginger garlic. 1 tablespoon coriander or dhaniya powder, half teaspoon garam masala and half teaspoon red chilli powder. Keep the flame low and saute for 5 to 7 seconds. Make sure you do not burn the masalas. Now we need 4 to 5 medium-sized boiled and peeled potatoes. I'm going to directly mash them in the pan, but if you want you can already mash them and then directly add to this masala. Add the boiled green peas, 3/4 teaspoon chaat masala and salt as per taste. Now give this a very good mix and at the same time mash it or mash this mixture with back of your spoon. The stuffing is ready, keep it aside. Now back to the chutney. Our mixture has cooled down. So in a mixer grinder jar, take 2 tablespoons roasted peanuts and then add the cooled chutney mixture, some salt. This is tamarind pulp. You need to soak tamarind in warm water for some time, like 5 to 10 minutes, and then take out its pulp. So 2 to 3 teaspoons you need for this recipe, or you can taste your chutney after blending and then adjust accordingly. Add a little water and make a smooth paste. At this stage you can taste your chutney and adjust the salt and tamarind. Our delicious chutney is ready. It's time to finally make the samosas. So after resting the dough for some time, knead it for another minute. You would feel that the dough is quite stiff and you're finding it a little difficult. That means your dough is right. So take out a portion like this and roll it with your balin or rolling pin. If required, you can sprinkle a little aata. Make sure that you roll the roti oblong and not round. So divide it into 2 portions like this and then make samosa. Use water for sealing the edges. place stuffing inside. And again you need to use water to seal the edge. And making pleats like this help the samosa stand. Similarly, make rest of the samosa. So I'm going to bake some of these in kadhai and some in oven. So you will get to see both the methods. So you need to preheat your kadhai at medium flame with some salt and a plate inside for 10 minutes. So apply some oil to the plate and then place some samosas and brush the samosas with some oil and bake these at medium flame for 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure that you keep flipping these in between, like after 5-7 minutes or 10 minutes. For you it might take a little more or less time, so keep a check. These samosas are now done. Even if you do not see even browning, but if you touch the samosas, they'll be khasta or crunchy overall. Now this is another batch which I'm going to bake in my oven. So you need to preheat your OTG or convection microwave, that means at convection mode, at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then bake these samosas for 25 to 30 minutes. Even in case of OTG, I suggest that you flip the samosa in between. So our kadhai as well as oven samosas are ready. So the samosas which you already see on the tray are the oven baked ones, and these are from the kadhai. So serve these khasta and healthy aata samosa with chutney. I already have some tamarind chutney, so I'm also serving these samosas with that chutney. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy!